Two teenagers arrested for the MLK Day shooting that sent 8 people to the hospital. They were in court today. And also today, the last victim of that shooting was finally released from the hospital.
Jerome Battle spent 9 days recovering from his injuries. And for more on what happened in court today, let's go to Local 10 News reporter Leanne Motorhone live now in Miami. Leanne.
Those teens will be staying behind bars for the foreseeable future. We're also learning more about what led up to the shooting through information provided in Jarrell Brownlee's arrest affidavit. This as we are hearing for the second time from one of those victims now that he is out of the hospital.
18-year-old Jarrell Brownlee, seen here in red, faced a judge at his bond hearing.
Right, the charges are attempted second-degree murder and 1 count of possession of a firearm by a convicted felon or delinquent.
He's accused of opening fire at Martin Luther King Jr. Park on a day meant to honor the civil rights icon.
Mr. Brownlee is already out on bond in firearm charges and has yet again picked up another firearm charge in addition to the heinous nature of this crime.
I'm concerned he poses a danger to the community. So the bonds will remain count 1, $1 million, and count 2, $10,000.
Dozens of people were at the park that day. 8 were left shot and injured. One of them, Jerome Battle, left the hospital today, the last of those victims to do so.
I'm just glad. It's no hard feelings. I just want to go home and go on with my life.
Good morning, Robert. Good morning.
17-year-old Robert Britt is also charged in the shooting. A juvenile court judge ordered he stay in custody while the state reviews his case. His family said nothing outside the courthouse. An arrest warrant for Brownlee states Britt and Brownlee are each allegedly members of 2 different rival gangs. A physical fight between the two is allegedly what led to the shooting, and police say witnesses identified each of them in a photo lineup.
And Brownlee was already on probation for an unrelated weapons case. He is due in court tomorrow morning to see the judge about that. Meanwhile, as for that minor, Robert Britt, we know that he has another court date scheduled for February 6th. Live in Miami, Leanne Morejon, Local 10 News.